Maganda pa man din siyang i-record. Ay, so cute. Ayun, bumalik na siya. Busog na busog eh. Oh, baka naman sobrang busog na yan.
Wala nang exhibition na yan siya.
Exhibition. Good job. Oh my goodness. Ako, nagpa-float.
Nagpapasikat siya.
Oo nga. Oh. Good job, Goldie. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Dancing in the water. Upside down. Oh. Anak ka lang dyan. Good job. Ah, nagpunta sa sulok. Look at you. Mukhang good mood ka. God bless you. Excellent.